Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I have taken over the Bijou Baker's lovely little cooking area, kitchen, all like her whole filming studio. So she doesn't know it. She's out of town and I came over and I found that she had left some of the almond paste, which is so amazing. And I also happened to bring over some raspberry natural fruit, like, what is it? Jelly, jam, fruit spread. It's all fruit, like, it's so good. So I'm like, I'm gonna take over her kitchen because look at her lovely, like, cookie sheets. And they have these guys on them. And I'm like, yes, that'll be amazing. So if you guys haven't checked out her channel, I'm sure you have, but I'll put the link down below so you guys can go over and check it out. She has all these lovely goodies, like this thing that's gonna scoop it. Now I've washed my hands because she'd kick my butt if I didn't. So I'm just scooping this stuff out. And it's like so delicious because this is leftover from some croissants that she made. You guys, they're amazing. So we tasted this part and I said, oh my gosh, that is so good. I bet it would make a nice little cookie. So like a thumbprint cookie. So we took the cookie sheet. We're gonna put these balls on here like that. And then I'm gonna push my thumb into it and make a little hole. My videos for this are not gonna be as good as her videos. So then I'm gonna take the jam and look at this long spoon she has. You guys, I have everything to craft, but she has everything to bake. So I'm gonna take the spoon and I'm gonna put the thing in here. I hope it works out because look, it already looks so. I hope it doesn't fall.
Don't put too much jam, otherwise it spreads.
Oh, Denise is over there saying don't put too much jam, but I put a little spoonful. Maybe I'll take some out. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a whole bunch of trays of these. Maybe I should only make a couple at first since I don't know if this is really gonna work. Or maybe I'll just make a whole tray. So hopefully she'll see this video and not yell at me for taking over her kitchen. But okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We decided the lucky number was 9. We made 9 of them. So now they're gonna go in the oven. I don't know how many degrees. This is not a cooking channel. If you're looking for how to make these, you've come to the wrong channel. So, sorry. All right, they're gonna go in the oven for something degrees.
350-ish?
350-ish is what Denise is saying. She knows better than I do. For about 45 minutes-ish? Oh, not 45 minutes-ish.
9 minutes.
Oh,
I'll show you when they're done. Okay, there they are. Look at, they came out rather nice and pretty. So I think it's gonna be good. But they're still too hot to taste. And they were in the oven for 13 minutes. Okay, so we've got the cookies. We're gonna try them. They're good. They're really good. So that's all. I mean, I don't have a recipe or anything for you, but it was fun to take over her kitchen. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.